Hey everyone, I wanted to also give you a little tip on your faux cupcakes, okay? I did not have time to make more faux cakes for the 4th, but what I am going to do is I'm going to revamp them a little bit, some of them, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to take off the liner, for instance, on this one, okay? And you don't got to worry about the bottom. It's not a big deal. And I went and I bought some more liners because my decor is more of the navy this year. You just stick it in. Just put your cupcake into your liner. Gives it a whole new look. I'll leave the cherry on top, but what I'm going to do as well is I got some of these picks from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to put a couple in. Okay. I think I'm going to cut this one down a little bit, or just break it off, because I want them different sizes. And there's a completely different look of your cupcake. Okay, now I'm going to use this one. I'll use this one for this. And I'm going to take these out. These were just little stars. And again, and there's that one. I didn't do a lot this year, not like I usually do, and that's why I'm not having a home tour collaboration. I'm just going to show you what I have. I may do a summer one. I'm not completely sure yet, but I think I might, but that'll be towards the end of August. Again, I'm using this blue one. Actually, this time I think I'm going to do one. No, I don't know if I like just one. I'm going to do two on that one. I think I'm going to leave these on this one, but I'm going to add a couple stars to it. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to leave what I had from last year, okay? And I'm just going to add, and let's see, it's predominantly, no, yes, okay. 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 Let's see. Keeping those on there. I think that's all I'm going to do. So This one I have to put, I think I'll put that. And there's that one. So you have this, this one, so when you're looking at the cupcakes that you've made, the faux cupcakes, you don't have to keep the same thing. You can revamp it with new cupcake liners and little toppers. Okay? So I just wanted to show you that so you can revamp if that's what you so choose to do. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.